Well, some of you longtime subscribers know I had made many videos of my big Aerosky 550 hexacopter that I got from xheli.com, including the day that I had midair with my DJI Phantom. As you can see, that day I was flying my helicopter under the DJI Phantom to get some video of it, and decided to launch my Aerosky 550 and video that from above from the Phantom.
Oh no!
Before I knew it was on the ground. I was flying both at the same time and hit the Phantom and knocked the prop off.
Not gonna believe that. That's part of the fun, huh, folks?
Well, it survived that day, but did not survive the fire that destroyed my models and home. So in looking back, it reminded me of all the retractable landing gear that I invented for the landing gear to get out of the way of the cameras. In fact, I made retracts for the DJI Phantom, the Quadcopter 350, the Blade 350, this Aerosky, and the T580 as well. I put links in the video description, and many of you, including the manufacturers, promptly copied my designs, and retracts began showing up on many of them. And so when I saw this tiny hexacopter from Walmart, I had to get it. Okay, this is pretty slick. Just push that on there just like that. And now, let's find the app. Wi-Fi, CH. There we go. Back to the app. And there it is. And I'm going to shut that off because I'm going to fly it with this. So, set this down to here. Okay, one button record takeoff. Let's see what happens here. Oh, look at that. That's really nice. Let's see if it flips. Let's see how it flips. Oh, pretty cool. Try that again. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's see how the one button landing works. Press the button. Well, that went down quick.